Hello, welcome to Master Fraction Lesson 33. My name is Walter. Today we are going to work on square of a fraction. Square of any number means you multiply that number by itself. Let's direct go to question number 1. We need to find a square of 3 over 4. This means that we are going to multiply 3 over 4 multiplied by 3 over 4. This is equal to 3 over 4 multiplied by 3 over 4, which will give us 9 over 16. Let's do question number 2. We need to find a square of 1 and a quarter. This is equal to 1 and a quarter multiplied by 1 and a quarter. I'm going to change these mixed numbers into improper fraction. That is going to be 4 multiplied by 1 is 4 plus 1. We get 5 over 4. So this is equal to 5 over 4 multiplied by 5 over 4, which will give us 25 over 16. This is improper fraction. I'll change it into mixed number, which will give us 9 over 16. Let us finish the last question, question number 3. We have 12 and a half. We need to find the square of it. So this is equal to 12 and a half multiplied by 12 and a half. I'm going to change these mixed numbers into improper fraction. That is 2 multiplied by 12 is equal to 24 plus 1 is going to be 25 out of 2. Multiplied by again 25 out of 2. This will give us 625 over 4. This is improper fraction. I'll change it into mixed number. 156 and a quarter. Hope you understand how to find the square of a number, whereby we multiply the number by itself. For the fraction, we multiply the fraction by itself. For more video on fraction, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.